So coming to the first question. So this is last year's set 2 paper. So yesterday I solved set 1. So those are absent again you will continue today. So first one it is first question. A glass rod dipped in ammonia. What is the ammonia formula? Anybody? Yes, please. NH3. When brought closer to the mouth of the test tube containing hydrochloric acid, it forms a dense white fumes of ammonium chloride. So it is a what reaction they are asking. So once again, the question is, you bought a glass rod which is dipped in the ammonium NH3, clear everybody, reacting with a test tube which is containing HCl. So can you tell me what is the products will come? Any one of you? It will form ammonium chloride. So now, what is the reaction they are asking it is? Anybody? And what is the salt which it is forms? Please respond. Anyone? So first you write, you can see ammonia reacting with HCl. Can you tell me the equation please first? Ammonia reacting with what? Hydrochloric acid, HCl. So we are going to get something. Anybody can tell, please respond. What is the products? They have already given. Everybody.
Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride. What is the formula of ammonium chloride? Everyone? NH4.
Hydroxy.
That is one. So NH3 gas reacting with the HCl, actually gas only, hydrochloric acid. Okay? Hydrochloric acid. So it will give you NH4Cl. So it is actually what kind of reaction? Anybody? Yes, please.
Combination reaction.
It is. Anyone? So of course you might be remember this. By seeing this, you might be says it is a combination reaction. Like a compound and compound is reacting, and again we are getting a single product. So single product means so we are going to get actually it is a combination reaction. But here, if you have noticed it here, so it is a what reaction? Anybody? That's why this MCQ is very, very important. So can you tell me what is this reaction? It is not a combination reaction. Of course, you can say it is a combination, but this is something behind more. Anybody's? NH3 is a what? NH3 is actually a weak base and it is reacting with HCl. HCl is a what actually? All of you. Strong acid. So that it will form ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride is actually a salt of acidic salt. So can you tell me now what is the reaction? Anyone? Because you cannot select the option combination reaction. Here the salts which is given is acidic salt, basic salt, neutral salt and acidic salt. So the salt which is forming is acidic salt or basic salt. So that's why it is definitely a neutralization reaction. So now it is a acidic salt or basic salt, ammonium chloride. Anybody? Ammonium chloride is acidic salt or basic salt? Please respond. It
Acidic salt.
acidic salt. Understanding? So salt of acidic in nature. So that's why, what is the answer? It is the neutralization reaction and the salt which is forming ammonium chloride is the acidic salt in nature. So that is why it is option D. Clear everybody? So please make it all of you. So basically here NH4Cl is acidic in nature. So where we are getting a weak base plus strong acid. So we are going to get an acidic salt. So please write it, everybody. Any doubt you can ask. NH3 plus HCl, a weak base, is going to react with a strong acid so that it will gives you an acidic salt. So that is what option D is the correct one. Clear everyone? Understand, Harish? Next, which of the following reactants are used in thermite reaction needed to repair broken railway tracks? So thermite reaction means immediately two reactions will come into our mind. Anybody? What is that? Thermite reaction means two things will come into your mind. Chapter number 3, all of you open it. So what is there? Chapter number 3, thermite welding. So if you have been taken a thermite welding, so one is aluminum and iron reaction and another one is manganese reaction, manganese dioxide and aluminum. So this is only the thermite weldings. So this is one of the reaction and this is the main reaction for joining the railway tracks. So this reaction is known as the thermite reaction. So what is that? FeTO3 plus aluminum. Right. So if you see the question, all of you, everybody. So what is the equation thermite welding? Which of the following reactants are used in thermite reaction needed to repair broken railway tracks? So what is that, guys? Fe2O3 plus aluminum. So that is only the main reaction of thermite welding. Fe2O3 plus aluminum. But if you have seen here, MnO2 plus Al, MnO2 plus Al, this is also we can say thermite welding. Understand, extremely heat energy will releases. Large amount of heat will takes place. Okay. So, but the major reaction for thermite welding is Fe2O3 reacting with the aluminum. So this is what is the main thing. So hope you all remember, everybody. So the major thermite welding reaction means first you remember Fe2O3 plus aluminum. If this option is not there, then you can go with this. Even this one, this year sample paper also they asked this equation only. So write it oxidation and reduction and all. So Fe2O3 plus aluminum is the thermite reaction. So what is the products will come? Everybody, you can see Fe liquid iron. Here, this is the physical states are very important, MCQ. So they will ask you write the physical states of products in thermite reaction. A products thermite reaction. Check it, everybody. Liquid, liquid, solid, solid. Next, heat. And there is another possibility also. Have you checked it, everybody? The moles of aluminum oxide in both reactions. How many moles, guys? Manganese dioxide to iron oxide. What is the aluminum oxide moles? Here 2 moles and here how many moles? Please respond. How many moles? Common product Al2O3, Al2O3. Here 2 moles. Here how many moles, guys? Only
One more.
1 mole. So 2:1 is the mole ratio of aluminum oxide. That is also important MCQ. So you all need to know it. That's the reason I'm saying. So the number of moles of aluminum oxide in both thermite reactions is 2:1. Manganese dioxide and ferric oxide or ferrous oxide, iron oxide, iron 3 oxide, iron 3 oxide, the aluminum oxide will come 2:1 mole, 2:1 ratio. So please note it, everyone. It's very important one. All of you do it. Clear, Amma? So iron 3 oxide, what is another name? Anybody? Harish? Iron 3 oxide, another name, guys. Iron 3 oxide, another name.
Ferric
Ferric
oxide, sir.
oxide. Ferric oxide. Please write it. Again, don't know means again you write, please. And ferrous oxide. What is the ferrous oxide? Don't get confused. Ferrous oxide. FeO. Okay. So write it. Next. Third one. The chemical formula of slackline, quicklime, and marbles they're asking. So we all knows that slacul-lime, quicklime, quicklime and slacul-lime first will come. So alphabets you remember, quicklime, slacul-lime, and marbles means it is a limestone, CaCO3. So confusion, no confusion. Quicklime first, slacul-lime next. Quicklime means calcium oxide, slacul-lime means calcium hydroxide. So what is the correct option? Everybody. What is the correct option, guys? Option B.
B.
So CaOH twice, CaO, CaCO3. So please alphabets learn quick Q first, S later. So quicklime, CaO, calcium oxide, slacul-lime, calcium hydroxide. Next. Soaps and detergents are dash of long chain carboxylic acids of fatty acids respectively. Soaps and detergents are what? Carbons compounds. Carbons compounds. Everybody open fastly. So carbons compounds, which paragraph? When your production saponification reaction, you can see all of you. So there it will comes. Soaps and detergents are what, guys? Nobody knows. Saponification reaction before. You have to say that is what. Soaps and detergents are what, Amma? Soaps are actually what? Soaps are sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. Now you can comes to the detergents. Detergents are there in this paragraph. Detergents are what? Everybody. Detergents are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acids or ammonium salts with a chloride or bromide ions. Once again, I am saying the ICSC books, what I shared regarding this, everybody need to study that and everybody need to remember permanent hardness, temporary hardness, and as well as that orange color tabular column without any delay. Again, you revise. Again, you have to remember that. Everyone, it's a very, very important concept. Definitely, minimum 1 mark will be there in our board exam also. Please note it and do it. Okay, so that is one. So what is that now? Soaps and detergents are what, guys? Everybody, please respond. Soaps is a what? Here only it is there. Soaps is first detergents. Tell me, detergents are what? Salts of sulfonic acids and ammonium salts. Salts of sulfonic acids and ammonium salts. So next, sodium and magnesium salts, sodium and ammonium salts, sodium and sulfonate salts. So what is the answer, guys? Fourth one. Yes, please. All of you. Sodium and ammonium salts, you can see they are generally sodium and ammonium salts, detergents. So detergents are sodium and ammonium salts, option 3. Okay. Next, soaps are what, guys? What is soaps? Here you can see that's what underline already have been made underline. Soaps are what? Sodium and potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid. So sodium and potassium, where is that? Everybody. Yes, please. Sodium and potassium salts. Sodium and potassium salts. So 2 and 3. Which is the option? 2 and 3. So there is no option. Am I right? Option is not matching. So basically, so you modify it. Option 3 where it is there. So here also not there. So I will change it. Sodium and potassium salts. Soaps are sodium and potassium. So 2 and 3 is correct. You write it. So or else you will modify here. 2 and 3. Okay. So option B. Keep it, everybody. 2 and 3. Soaps are sodium and potassium salts and detergents are sodium and ammonium salts of long chain carboxylic acids of fatty acids respectively. Next, the heating of ferrous sulfate crystals is a chemical change when anybody? This question is keep on coming. Am I right, guys? Every time it is coming. Chapter number 1. The heating of ferrous sulfate crystals is a chemical change when? Anybody? First, what will happen? At the beginning, no change in water. So what will happen, all of you? So first, FeSO4, 7H2O is present. So first, if you are heating, what will happen, guys? Yesterday also, offline class also I told you. So water of crystallization will be removed. and we are going to get FeSO4. When we can say it is a chemical change, it has to produce the products. What is the products, guys? Fe2O3 plus, and there is a pungent gases. What is the pungent gases? Sulfur dioxide and, please respond, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Then only we can say it is a chemical change. So options you see, pale green to white color change is observed. It is a physical change because loss of water. Water droplets observed on the walls of the test tube. That is also physical change. Yesterday only I told. And white color salt with pungent smelling gases is observed. Brown colored compound with pungent smelling gas observed. What is a brown colored substance? Anybody? Brown color substance. We all knows that. What is that?
Ferric.
Ferric
Ferric
oxide.
oxide.
Plus SO2 plus SO3. So now what is the correct answer? Option. Yes, please. Option D. Understand? So chemical change means option D. Physical change means this both will come. Pale green to white color change is observed and water droplets observed on the walls of the test tube. So that is, these both are physical change. Ferric oxide, brown color compound will come along with the pungent smell gases of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. That is, it is a chemical change. That's why option D is the correct one. That equation is again and again repeating every year sample papers and exam, board exam also they are asking. So that's why please again you spend time everybody when you are see that how popular this equation. So when you are starting heating, we will first lose the water of crystallization. So that is what a green color turn up into white color salt. That is what water of crystallization will be removed. Then continuously if you are heating, it will be decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Ferric oxide is a solid and while SO2 and SO3 are gases. So that is you have to remember it. Okay, and the color of the ferric oxide is, what is the color, everybody? What is the color of the ferric oxide? Yes, please. Brown color.
Reddish.
Red brown. Okay, and odor of burning sulfur is actually, what is that? Odor of burning sulfur. It is a pungent odor. Okay, so very bad smell will get it. That's all. Next. Equal volume of hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide solutions of same concentration are mixed and the pH of the resulting solution is checked with a paper. What could be the color obtained? You see that this is the what reaction first? Can you tell me? HCl plus NaOH. What is the reaction? All of you?
Neutralization.
What is the reaction? We are going to get NaCl plus H2O. So what is this reaction, guys? Neutralization. And it is C. It is going to react with a strong acid and strong base. So we are going to get what? We are going to get a neutral salt. Neutral salt, we are going to get it. So that what will happen, everybody? What is the color of this? All of you. Color. Neutral. pH value 7. So what is the color?
Green color.
Green color. Do it. Mr. Ashik understands, Swadan? Mr. Sriram? Are you there? Please make it. Next. The equations given below are all examples of redox reactions. Redox reactions means oxidation plus reduction, both will take place. In which of the equations is the underlined compound being oxidized? Being oxidized, they are asking. So please, anybody? Oxidation, the substance which is being oxidized. What do you meaning of oxidize? Anyone? What do you mean by oxidize? Oxidation means what? Either addition of oxygen or removal of what, guys?
Hydrogen.
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 So that is what. So that is what we used to say. Now what is the answer? Anybody? The given
Option.
equations are all examples of redox reactions. In which of the equations is the underlined compound being oxidized? That is what is the question. Anybody?
Option C, sir.
Option C. Why? So you can see here, carbon everywhere. Carbon is here. Copper oxide turn up into copper. Loss of oxygen. Here, given underlined product only. We are forgot about other things. FeO turn up into Fe. Carbon dioxide turn up into carbon monoxide. So everywhere loss of oxygen. But here, carbon monoxide turn up into carbon dioxide. Addition of oxygen. Only underlying product is very, very important. So that is what option C is the correct one. Like this question, first time you will experience. I know very well. Till now, like this MCQ, you never seen any kind of exams. So please remember this one. So the underlying product alone we have to see which is undergoes oxidation. So that is what is actually option C is the correct one. So please note it. Carbon monoxide turn up into carbon dioxide. Addition of oxygen. Okay, everybody? Clear? Please respond. So that is what you have to remember. Next, biology. So they are asking PQRS, identify. This is also one of the most important question. So always you can see that. First, can you identify the names PQRS? Everybody, what is P? What is Q? What is R? Control and coordination. Biology. What is PQRS? Everybody. Yes, please. Brain question. You all knows what is a P? All of you see there. What is a P? P is the what, guys? P is the cerebrum. QRS. What is the QRS? Yes, please. Here it is a midbrain. Here they are asking Q. Q is a what, amma? This one. Nobody.
Cerebellum, sir.
Cerebellum. Okay. Q is the cerebellum. Next. S and R. S is the what? S is the what? Pituitary gland. S is a what? Pituitary gland. And next R. R is a what? R is a what?
Medulla.
Medulla. So please, that's what you need to know everything. Don't try to learn this name. That arrow where it is coming. Where it is coming, that arrow. Arrow is very important. So you can see hypothalamus. This part is pituitary gland. And this is pons. This is medulla. And this is the cerebellum. And this is fully from to here. Forebrain. So spinal cord. You need to know it, please. That arrows you observe, that's what I say is always in biology. The figures is very, very important. So now you can notice it. So if it comes to here, so what is there? Everybody, 1 minute, I'll erase this. Now, first one. Yes. So first one is they have given already here. So just I want to notice from the book. So you can see all of you. P is the cerebrum, Q is the cerebellum, R is the cerebellum, R is not a cerebellum, correct? Okay. So they're taking both Q and R. Oh, Q and R, how it will be cerebellum? This is wrong. R is here and Q is here. What is Q and R? Q is, this is what? Am I right? All of you? This is cerebellum and this is medulla, correct, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that's fine. So and S is the pituitary. So okay, the S is the pituitary. So now they are asking what is the correct one. So observe the given diagram. Now this is change it. R is not a cerebellum. Okay, given diagram and identify the mismatched combination or combinations they are asking. So first, cerebrum. What is the thinking of what is the use of cerebrum? Anybody? And cerebellum, pituitary gland. Pituitary first, let us see well-known things, we'll finish it. What is the importance of pituitary gland? You all knows that. Where it is there here in somewhere. What is the importance of pituitary gland? Everybody, hormones, you can see. Yes, please. What is the importance of pituitary gland, Amma?
Growth hormone, sir.
Growth hormone stimulates the growth in all the organs. So it controls the growth. Is it right? Yes or no? All of you? Yes, please. Is it right or wrong? So it is right only. So wherever option S is there, means 4, you can avoid that options. 4 is there, 4 is there. So D and C not will come. So our answer is either A and B only. Next well-known thing. What is a well-known thing for you? Cerebrum. Cerebrum, tell me. What is a cerebrum, guys? What is a cerebrum? Cerebrum what, guys? Book you?
Thinking and
Yes.
Thinking and reasoning.
Page number you can see. So what is the cerebrum, all of you? Underline, that's what, if you don't know, if you are not remembering, then there is no use. So I think this paragraph only. Am I right, Hari? Cerebrum? Up or down? Here, I think. Where it is there, cerebrum? Where it is mentioned, Ra? Book?
Sir, third para, sir. Forebrain is the main thinking part of the brain.
Huh? Book somewhere it will be there, correct? Forebrain. Yes. The forebrain is the main thinking part of our brain. So it is regions which receive sensory impulses from. Is it right, Hari? But this is not. Somewhere it will be there. Cerebrum, we already studied it. Have you written in the classwork?
yes, sir. Class of wrote, sir.
So what is the importance of cerebrum? Check and tell me. I want to know. It's actually not written. Verify.
Written, sir.
What is that?
So controls voluntary actions and
Voluntary actions. So means thinking and reasoning.
Sir,
yes,
you wrote learning.
Hurry.
Sir, learning, reasoning, intelligence, personality, memory, thought, sensations, action, and movement, sir.
Then all the voluntaries. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So then this is option A is right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Correct, sir.
Okay, then this is also correct. So option 1 also you can avoid it. So option 1 is also avoided. So option B is the correct one, but we have to know the answer also. Either our answer is right or wrong. Second one, cerebellum. What is the cerebellum importance?
Posture of the body, sir.
Controls body postures.
Body posture. So this is directly there in the book. Am I right? Cerebellum.
Yes.
Where is there? Here also
Page
there,
number
Hari.
104, sir.
Page number 104. No, here also there is about. See, we also think about our actions. So writing, talking, moving a chair, clapping, end of the program are examples of voluntary actions which are decided to the next. Okay. So this is what is this is. Where is that? Cerebellum. Posture. This is only a.
It's the last paragraph.
Here. Thinking about all activities like walking in a straight line, riding a bicycle, picking up a pencil, these are possible due to a part of the hind brain called cerebellum. So that is what posture, body position, body like how to walk, how to eat, how to ride, how to take book. That is what it is. So please make it everybody. Write it. Next. Same way. Next one. Muscular coordination. Muscular coordination is done by whom, Ra? Muscle coordination. But of course, it's match repair. Muscle coordination is done by whom?
Cerebellum.
Muscle coordination is done by whom, guys? Hey, please mute yourself. Who is that? Focus on class. What is this, fellas? Muscle coordination, which part of the body, Hari? You written correct? That we need to know answer, we need to know. That's why.
Sir, I think so. Pawn, sir. You wrote
Make it.
coordinate between muscles of two sides of body.
Pawns, write that. Pawns take part in regular respiration, correct? Hari? This is not the function of the main part. Pons, cerebellum, and medulla. The pons take part in the regulating respiration, and cerebellum helps in maintaining the posture and balance of the body. And same way, medulla controls various involuntary actions such as heartbeat and breathing, blood pressure, and as well as peristaltic movement of alimentary canals. Am I right? Correct? So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So, muscular coordination is controlled by, write it. Muscular coordination is controlled by cerebellum only. This is also correct, Hari. Note it. Muscular coordination is
Sir,
controlled.
but
Yes, yes. Tell me, Amma.
the location is wrong, right?
Yeah. That's the reason it's a mismatch repair. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everybody? Because muscular coordination means this walking, dancing, riding, and all. This is all done by whom? Cerebellum only, correct, Amma? Cerebellum only coordinates the smooth body movements such as walking, dancing, riding, bicycle, and all. But here, why it is mismatch repair? But R is actually a what? R is actually what, guys? It is the R is actually a what? It is actually pawns. Am I right? Yeah. So R is actually, it is a pawns. Pawns not, it is actually medulla it is. So that's the reason, but they have mentioned a cerebellum. So that's the reason it is also a mismatch repair. So please note it. Here it should not be cerebellum means this R part is actually is a what? Medulla, but they have given cerebellum. So that's why option 2 and 3 is mismatching pair. That's why this question is very, very important question. Please remember all of you. So first you should identify the parts of the brain and their functions. So once again, please learn the middle, this hind brain. Hind brain parts is very, very important. So what is the three parts of hind brain? One is pons, another one is medulla, another one is cerebellum. So first thing, pons. Pons take part in regular respiration, and cerebellum helps in maintaining the posture and balance of the body. It will enable us to make the precise and accurate movements. Precise and accurate movements like smooth body movements such as walking, dancing, riding a bicycle, picking up a pencil. This all will be controlled by cerebellum. And medulla is the one which will controls the involuntary actions of our body. That is what circulation, blood circulation, heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and peristaltic movement of alimentary canal. This is all controlled by medulla. And medulla is also the controlling the center for reflexes such as like swallowing, coughing, sneezing, secretion of saliva, and vomiting. These all are under the control of medulla. So please learn that, everybody. Even vomiting and saliva, this is also many times they asked. So that's why based upon the brain, definitely you'll be having a question in our board exam. So you need to know everything without any confusion. Each part, what is the importance, everybody write it. Okay. So next, out of the following test tubes, yesterday also this I already told you. So which of the following, same question, set 1 and set 2. Which of the following test tube, which one will give blue-black color in addition of iodine solution? Iodine solution only shows blue-black color in the presence of water, not in the presence of an acid or base or acid. So only the option B is supporting for our like case study. So that is what we'll say is a black color iodine solution gives a test tube containing corn flour, saliva, and a few millimeters of water. So any in the presence of acids or bases, the iodine